Hi, I think I might have found a bug in my Zappi charger here. I just came home. It was in stop mode. Okay, the sun's shining, beautiful day outside. So I don't know how much power my solar system is generating, like 6 or 7 kilowatts or something, like a lot, right? So it should be absolute peak. So yeah, probably 7 kilowatts plus. And so it was in stop mode. So I put it in Eco Plus mode, and it just sat there saying waiting for surplus. And it just sat there waiting for surplus, waiting for surplus. So I waited for a bit and it did nothing. So then I put it into fast mode and then it charged at the 7 kilowatts or whatever. Okay, so that was working fine. So then I put it now in Eco Plus mode and it just worked fine. But why it didn't initially do that when it's absolutely full sun? Obviously, I'm generating more than the 6.8 kilowatts that's going into the car now. Yeah, I'm probably pulling all of the energy from the solar, and it's all going into the car now. So it's working fine now, but yeah, I don't know. Is that a known bug? If anyone's got a Zappi, let me know in the comments. All right, something strange is definitely happening. I rode my bike back to the lab here. Okay, this is when I got home. And I plugged in, this is my solar analytics monitoring system. This is when I plugged in the charger, and I originally, I plugged in fast at first, okay? And then I immediately plugged it, and then once I realized it was working, I plugged it into Eco Plus mode. But look, it's not following the consumption, which is the purple graph, is not following my solar output, which it should. In Eco Plus mode, that's its job, is to follow, regardless of what the house takes, the total is supposed to take that. Just like I showed you the graph the other day, here it is. Look, it matches perfectly. Look, here, like this, right? It matches absolutely perfectly. This is entirely in Eco Plus mode. And it matches the consumption of the house plus the car matches the solar output precisely within, I don't know, plus minus 10 or 20 watts or something, right? It matches perfectly. Yet in Eco Plus mode today, it's not. Look at the huge discrepancy. There's something weird going on there. And then Mrs. EV blog just left. So if we go to live monitor like this, boom, she just disconnected the car there, but there we go. That's like a live monitor here. There's the 7 kilowatts or whatever, 7 plus the house. The house must have been doing something else, and then it stayed above, even though it's in Eco Plus mode. And the only difference from the other day is that, as I said, I believe there was a bug because it was in stop mode, because I actually used the stop mode on the Zappi to tell the car to stop charging and then release the plug. And I just left it overnight sitting in that stop mode. So it was just sitting there. And when I came home today, I plugged in the car and it would not, and I plugged it in and it was in stop mode. So I put it in Eco Plus mode and it just sat there saying surplus. It just sat there saying waiting for surplus. I waited for a few minutes and it did nothing. Maybe I should have waited for longer. I don't know. There was no timer on it. Is that a timer mode thing? But even if there was, I put it into fast mode and sure enough, and then it started charging. So I thought, okay, now I'll put it into Eco Plus mode. I put it in Eco Plus mode and it charged at 6 kilowatts. Yeah, 6 point something kilowatts or something. And it was 6.5. You saw it on the video before. And so there was some extra house in there, but it hasn't followed it. What's going on? That's got to be a bug, right? Am I using this thing wrong? I don't know. I haven't RTFM'd the full thing and the full manual, but in Eco Plus mode, it's supposed to do that. It's supposed to follow exactly what it did the other day here. It's supposed to follow the profile, and it worked perfectly the other day, and now it doesn't. So I don't know. Do I have to turn it? Hello? Have you tried turn it off and on again? Yeah, I don't know. If you got any idea, let me know in the comments down below. I reckon I found a bug. It's got to be. It can't be a pebcac. Can't be. Catch you next time.